Why, you ask? That can't be done. We can go down, our conspiracy theory rabbit holes. The bottom line is what we do down there works very, very well in certain situations.
So, what types of conditions are you seeing the most at Origins?
Yeah. So we see a variety of conditions. If you ask me the most, it would be orthopedic conditions, autoimmune, autism. We see quite a bit of autism in children, pulmonary, so lung issues, and also cardiovascular as well.
Wow.
Yep.
Yeah.
Also neurological conditions. Um, it's all different types of conditions, diseases, ailments, injuries, and then also we have a large patient base that's really, really uh, looking for healthy aging.